So, in the last video, I saw a McLaren 570S going for sale, and the whole front end was completely destroyed because of that idiot kid YouTuber. So what it is I've seen it and it's going on Copart at the moment. So I think it ends in like 2 or 3 days. So and I thought I'd go and have a look and do a breakdown of how much it would cost to repair it and stuff, and buy all the parts from eBay for the actual car, so that you can basically rebuild the front of the car, right? So from scratch, well, from the state that it's in. So this is me. I've gone through the parts and I've pretty much seen all the parts now. Now this is without me including the upper and lower arms as well, because by the looks of it, they might be bent. I don't know, but then if we do, we'd have to buy some more upper and lower arms. So, but not buy it from McLaren, buy it from eBay or Temu. All right, I'll do it that way. So anyway, I'm rambling on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the prices of everything that I've found so far for the car, and and at the end I'll reveal how much it's going to cost to actually get all the front end up and rebuild it all, and just basically have it making it so it works again perfectly. So hopefully this will be alright, and if you know of any other parts, or you guys think of any other parts that you think that might need to go on it to get it up and running, leave it in the comments below, let me know. So right, so we're going to start and go through the top. So this is it here. So the whole front end is absolutely smashed up, smithereens, right? So this is what it would look like. Let's see what photos. Let's have a look. So look, so the whole front end's absolutely done. Alright? So I'm hoping that the upper and lower arms, see there, they look fine. Alright? Can I zoom in there? No. I think so. Zoom out. Right, so there, they look fine, don't they? So basically, all you'll need is, you'll have to get all the windscreen wipers and stuff. But I mean, like the main stuff you need on this is, right, so we go start from the left, from the front. This is what I found on eBay. Alright, okay. So we go to my basket on eBay. If I can find it, where it's gone. Right, okay, so we've got let's just go to my basket. Right, so we've got the front front luggage compartment. Right, okay, €900. So basically £760. Right? Not bad. Okay, so that's the first thing. So we've got McLaren passenger light, side light, okay, £923. Okay? So the next one. So let's just go down the list. Alright, passenger light, okay, could be headlight, okay. For the driver's side, 874. Windscreen washer and bottle, £49. McLaren 570 GT shuttle and grille, £418. McLaren front bumper, £412. Bumper splitters, £459. Alright, so we have the McLaren 570S right front wing panel fender, genuine, £369. Not bad, that's a lot cheaper than what I thought. So the same for the other side, £369. Now for McLaren, okay, 570 bonnet and wings, right? So we've got the left and right panels. So now these would be the wing, the bonnet and the wings for the lights. Okay, so that's not bad. £599. So basically £600. So it's not bad as far as I'm concerned. Right. So the whole told basically just to build up the front end of that car. It probably might need some a little other things, which I'll probably, if I was to buy it, I would have to get it on the, I'll basically get it and attach it to the car and stuff. So the whole lot would be £5,416.05. Now I don't know about you, but this is looking pretty viable for a McLaren. Now you don't have to, it doesn't have to be absolutely amazingly spot on. Right? And it doesn't have to be made by carbon fibre, but hey ho, it's a McLaren. So, so if I was able to get that car for like 18 or 19 grand, and then I buy that, and now I could have that whole car, maybe if I'm lucky, probably won't, but maybe if I'm lucky, probably done for about 35 grand at the most. Now that's if I'm very, very lucky and I'm able to find the parts super, super cheap, which is what I have done on here. Now, they're a lot cheaper on here than what I thought about, than what I actually thought they would be. Being a McLaren, it's going to be like super expensive, right? It's nothing like Mark McCann's P1 or anything, but it's a McLaren 570S. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you think that you can get parts any cheaper, or you know where else to get the parts, they're actually a lot cheaper. So let me know what your thoughts are. Leave it in the comments below, because I need as much help as possible if I'm going to get this and build this and do this. So let me know. As always, look after your family, look after your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you later.